We're back here with Brian Weber of Weber Automotive. What are the 5 signs that your air cabin filter needs to be replaced? Go!
All right.
What are they?
Cabin air filters are great. We didn't have those years ago, but now we do. And it's great for people with allergies, which seems to be a lot of us anymore. I'm getting some now. So it's good to have a filter to filter that air. So I guess the first and foremost would be weak airflow coming out of the vents. You turn the fan on high and you go, boy, there's hardly any air coming out of there anymore.
Yeah.
Probably a clogged up air filter.
Okay.
And it depends on the environment. Is it dusty? Is it dirty? Do you get a lot of pollen in the air? Musty or dirty smell when you turn it on. If you get that kind of a musty smell in there, good.
It's like an old sock?
Yeah, or
Right.
worse. Increased dust in a vehicle, that's a good sign the cabin filter might be a problem. The windows fog up more easily, like if it's humid or rainy outside and you just can't seem to get them to defrost or defog, that could be a sign the cabin air filter is bad. And if your allergies are worse in the car than they are outside of the car.
It could just mean the air cabin filter is just kaput.
Or it's full of the allergens, right? It's getting bloated.
Even worse, right?
Even worse, yeah.
All right, well, take a ride around, feel with your hand, breathe in, see if the fog's going away, and you might just need a new air cabin filter. And if so, I know somebody can take care of it for you.
Absolutely.
Thanks a lot, Brian.
Thanks, Randy.